If you got hurt in a bicycle accident, you probably have a lot of questions and not a lot of answers. We want to tell you a story about someone who's been in your place and what they had to do to get their life back. And this is from an actual bicycle accident case. The only thing we've done is change the victim's name. Sarah loved to ride her bike in the spring and summer. And if she had a choice between driving or riding, you would find Sarah on her bike. She saved money on gas and she didn't spend 10 minutes looking for a parking spot when she was going to work. One day before leaving for home after work, Sarah had talked to a few friends and they'd made plans to go out. So Sarah carried her bike outside and started on her way home. At one intersection, Sarah stopped for a red light. As Sarah was waiting for the light to turn green, a truck driver who wasn't paying attention hit her from behind. And Sarah, after she picked herself up off the ground, thought she was lucky, but her bike would need some repair work. So she called a friend to come and get her and her bike. And other than a little pain in her neck and back, she considered herself lucky that the truck hadn't run over her. However, over the next couple of weeks, Sarah, because her job required her to sit at a desk, she noticed some pain in both her legs and her back. And the pain got to the point that her doctor decided she would need an MRI to find out just how bad she was hurt. After Sarah had the test done, her doctor told her she would need to have an operation on her back. The accident had damaged a couple of discs in her spine, and an operation was the only way to fix it. Now, the operation did help some, but not enough to allow Sarah to return to her desk job. Also, her doctor told her she would require 2 weekly visits for physical therapy, at least for a couple of months. Now, Sarah, not being a rich woman, did the only thing she could think of. She started calling law firms. Now, we don't have time to go into what Sarah's attorney did to help her with the driver's insurance company. And insurance companies love taking your money, but they hate like hell giving it back. You can see Sarah's full story on our website. You need somebody who understands the law and works with people just like you every day. So call us.